Don't let the bottom of your cabinet under the sink look like this. You've just installed a beautiful vanity and you want to know how to protect it from potential water damage? If you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you and welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. We'll take a look at what I'll do underneath the sink to protect this wood. Even though it has some sort of a non-porous finish, it won't be long after it gets exposed to some water for it to get destroyed. Okay, let's get started with protecting that wood that's under that sink. So what I purchase is some linoleum, some nice thick linoleum there's some leftovers, remnants that you can buy from Home Depot, Lowe's. Tools that I'm going to use to get the job done. Straight edge caulking gun. I use liquid nails to make sure the material sticks to the surface under the sink. Seal all the way around using silicone caulk. Utility knife. Get yourself a nice pair of scissors, industrial grade. It's a lot easier to cut this stuff with a good pair of scissors. Marker, something to spread the liquid nails, and then also tape measure, blue tape. It's time to measure and see how much material we're going to need. So to measure the surface area, I like to measure all four sides. So this side I'm going to get 17 3/4. I'll do the same thing with this side. The back is going to be a little bit more challenging because I'm dealing with measuring between two fixed walls here. So this is one method that you can use. You got to curl that up and then stick a guess at it. Or any good tape measure will have what's known as the measurement on a body. So right here, this one here, it says plus 2/7/8, which means you don't have to struggle to get a good curled edge to get a good reading. So you use that measurement plus what's shown here. So we have here 19 7/8 plus our 2 7/8. That comes out to 22 3/4. Okay, so we have the measurements marked. So this is how it's going to lay out. Our 17 3/4, I grab it from this end. 22 3/4, I'm going to grab it from that end. So marking both ends. And then once we have this marked, then we'll take and do a mark on this side for our, 22 3/4. Okay, we're ready to cut. So this is where a good pair of scissors will come in handy. Here we go. We're going to get to cut. I usually leave my line on the other side where I don't see it. Okay, now we're going to take it and see how well it fits. Now a word from our sponsor. So then let me show you what I'll do next. This is the back side. Again, I think we've done a pretty good job here cleaning. That's done. All right, the next thing we do is we'll take some liquid nails. Bonds to most material here, and nice thing is it's water cleanup. All right. Now I've also seen people use peel and stick tiles. I don't care for that method just because it doesn't look as nice. You're gonna have those seams that they're not sealed as you button those peel and stick tiles together. In most cases those are 12 by 12, which again, they're not gonna give you a good seal in between. And Murphy's Law, that's where the leak is gonna be. And they just, again, they don't look as nice. You want your cabinet to look this nice years to come. All right, you can take something to spread this. I put a little mark on here, right there. That's my front. Really, you don't need any kind of a clamping since we did a nice job of spreading that liquid nails underneath. And this is what I was talking about. If the front edge is nice and sealed, no reason to caulk it. Just leave it alone, right? So now, let's work these. And as long as the two surfaces are clean and you have that liquid nails spread evenly throughout, covering the entire surface, you should get a pretty good bond. Again, this stuff is, you can clean it up with water. We have waited a couple of hours and we are ready to put a small bead of caulk all the way around. And if your caulking technique is not where it should be, you're still uncomfortable with it, take a look at my video where I show how to use some masking tape, and it's a quick 1-minute video, shows you how you can get nice, clean, sharp edges. But we're gonna go ahead and put a bead all the way around. And in the front, I want to leave it alone. Again, it looks very nice. It's sealed. The caulk that I use is this GE Silicone white. So here we go. Hit those two sides and take my paper towel up here. Take a closer look. Right there. That one's done. And this is actually pretty easy because it's white on white. All surfaces are white, so white caulk. Even if you're not very good, you can get away with it. So that's that side, and then we're gonna go and do the other side, and I'll show you a picture. So we have a bead of caulk all the way around, and then caulk all the way around there. So there you have it. This will keep for many years to come. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.